What's going on, guys? Mr. Young here, bringing you another video. Today we're going to go over the release strategy. So what the release strategy is kind of like a default check within GCSS Army. So once it passes ZPark, the system kind of vets it and says, well, this right here may have some issues with the amount that they're ordering, or the price of the amount that they're ordering, or there's an acquisition advice code issue, or there's multiple reasons why it might be kicked to the release strategy. But today I want to show you how to go into the release strategy and actually pass the items that your unit has get hung up in there. So let's jump on the computer and let's knock it out real quick. Alright guys, we're using a new T code today. We are using the ME55. That's Mike Echo 55. What we're going to do here is just a couple of things, nothing major. The only real thing you have to worry about is the release code and your purchase requisition numbers. So what we're going to do is your release code, you're going to put in S1, and then over here you can put in each individual requisition, or you can come over here and add multiple ones at one time. And in my case I have multiple ones to worry about. So I'm going to add in multiple ones. Once you hit execute there, brings it up, and then hit execute again. At this point, it's going to show you all of them. And you can see I have 2 here under Echo 1, Bravo 1, and then 3 under Alpha 1. So these codes mean something. That is what's kicking these items over to the requisition, over to the release strategy. So the only one you have to really worry about is this one right here, Echo 1, Review AAC, your acquisition advice code. Typically that means it's an acquisition advice code of Victor or Yankee, meaning that you can no longer order it, or stockage is limited and you may not be able to order it, so you need to find a different NSN or version of it. So at this point, the rest of it is easy. We're not going to release these right now. I need to do some research on them. So all you have to do is click and make the pencil go away. Alright, so we have 7 different requisition numbers here. That's what I just pulled, right? Back out, and then those same 7 are still right here. Execute again, and then we're down to just 2. So those 5 that I clicked on have been passed. Next they turn over to a PO, and then on down the chute. And that is how you do the release strategy. Alright guys, as you can see, that's really easy. There's nothing hard about it, but if you do find something that gets kicked back in the release strategy, make sure you do your homework. Look into it, the NSN or the part number that you were provided or the unit was provided, and make sure that there's no issues with it. Now, that's typically with an Echo 1, and if you're able to pull your ZPark, you're able to see that before it even makes it to the release strategy. So that's one less step that you have to worry about. So you don't have to worry about being passed and then kicking over. There's a couple of ways to see things before it gets the release strategy if you are not able to pull the release strategy yourself. If it is sitting on your ESR and it still has a 1-0 for the actual purchase requisition or purchase order, and over to the side, instead of a BA, BB, BD, B7, Bravo, Bravo, whatever it is, status, it'll have RS. Instead of Park or PK, it'll have RS for release strategy. You can actually go in here and do the same thing in ME55 and try to pass it that way if there's no other issues. So again guys, I hope that this gives you another tool to work on your toolkit. If you want more GCSS Army videos, please subscribe and go over to the channel. I have a lot more where this one came from. If this is your first time visiting, thank you for watching. If you're a subscriber, thank you for coming back. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up and go down and comment. Let me know what you thought. That is my way of having an AAR with these videos, is from you guys subscribing, liking, sharing, and commenting. If there's not a video in my library that you would like to see, please hit me up in either an email or on the discussion tab, and we will try to figure out a way to get the answers that you need. I do not have access to everything in GCSS Army, so therefore I can't make a video for everything, but I will do my best to make the videos that you guys need and that I can provide you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.